You buy a great deal used iPad, you get home, you turn it on, and boom, locked to owner. Or maybe it's your own iPad. You reset it confidently like a tech genius, and then your brain goes completely blank when it asks for your Apple ID. Now you're staring at the screen like, was it my Gmail, my old Yahoo, my dog's birthday? Hello and welcome back to the IBF Tools YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll explain what that lock to owner message actually means and walk you through the practical, legitimate options you can use to regain access. Activation. Lock is Apple's security system. It's designed to protect devices if they're lost or erased. If the iPad is still connected to an Apple ID, Apple wants verification before it lets anyone use it again. All right, let's fix this. Before we go any further, quick but important note. This video is only for people who legally own their device or purchased it legitimately. We do not support unauthorized access to lost or stolen devices. Everything here is educational and within YouTube's guidelines. IBF Tool. Now here's where things get interesting. IBF Tool is part of a category of device recovery utilities designed to help users who are stuck during setup after a reset. You install it on Windows or Mac OS, connect the iPad with a USB cable, and follow the on-screen instructions. After completion, you can proceed with setup and sign in with your own Apple ID. As always, this option is intended only for devices you legally own. Perfect. Those are the main paths available when facing iPad lock to owner. If this video saved your iPad from becoming a very expensive cutting board, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you or which one you're trying next. And if you need more guidance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.